So on this boat we've got some nice laminated oak hanging knees, which are these things here. So you can see here there's thin strips have been machined up and then glued around a jig, the black bits to glue that you can see to form that shape, with some solid fillets in here to make the angle, and nicely fitted. So you can see this one now is, you know, really nice fit to the laminates there, you can see on both sides. Yeah, and a nice fit to the block there, which had been glued all as one, and then the whole thing fitted as a piece. But then you got this one here, and you know, it's as strong as anything else really on the boat, but it's just a shame that they haven't spent an extra 5 minutes fitting this to there. And it isn't a drying crack, that's been made and fitted like that. And it's the same on the other side here. Yeah, might have been the last one or the first one. And also there's a few sort of gaps in the laminate there as well. So it's just a shame that when you're going to all that time and effort to make something like this, that just an extra bit of care and attention makes all the difference. Now, you know, most people probably won't ever notice that, and it's part of the character of the boat. But you know, spent the time and effort to get that right there. Why not there? And another small point. Now you've got to remember, this boat is early 1980s. What are we, 2018 now? So you know, it hasn't gone anywhere, it hasn't moved, and this boat's in great condition for her age really. But this little thing, these sorts of things bug me a little bit. Let's get a thing here. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but obviously they've bored for these bolts, these 10mm galvanised bolts, which is fine. And the bolt is coming through at that angle there, like that. And of course this face isn't square to the bolt. So when you bolt all that back on, you've got a gap underneath the washer. So in all intents and purposes, that bolt is only being held in this sort of, probably this top half. So what's the point? Well, why not, you know, counter bore back here just enough for this edge of this washer to come and rest on there, so you've got a nice flat plane for the washer and a nut to fix to. Almost like you can see this one here, it's everything is square essentially, so it's easy. So it's just been wound up, and the washer has bitten into this top laminate, and that all looks nice and snug. Now don't get me wrong, none of this has ever moved, and there hasn't been any massive strains or anything to pulling these out, and they're exactly the same as they were the day they were fitted 30 odd years ago. But it's just another little detail that I would have thought I would have counterbored that onto a flat face myself. But there you go.